Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your Google Play Store or Google Chrome or any other browser in HONOR X7A. To do this, first we'll need to open a Google Play Store or Google Chrome and see the error. And right here, if we try to download something like SoundCloud, when we click on install, it changes into the pending mode, and as you can see, it's stuck like this forever. So we can cancel it for now and move on to the browser. If we try to refresh any already open website or try to reach new one, we'll get this error and let's try to reach new one. Yep, Google doesn't work as well. To fix both of these issues, we'll need to open our settings and scroll all the way down. Right here we can find system and updates, enter date and time, and set time automatically. If you go back to your browser and reload the page, it should work fine. And the same goes with Google Play Store, so we can install SoundCloud or any other app like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.